Let me show you how to split Excel file into multiple workbooks or even sheets by using a field column value. For example, here we have very basic list of orders, and we would like to create one file for USA and another file for UK. First thing we need to do, we need to create a transformation. So split Excel workbook. We need to set reader type to Excel. Select the source file, orders, select the table. Let's reformat the data slightly. Set the field names. And we'll copy the definition to writer. So what we need to do, we need to delete the country name, because I'm not going to use it. And this writer would be again Excel file. The file would be the file USA orders. And we will let's copy that. Actually, let's call write USA. And we copy and paste it because we like saving time. This one will be UK. UK progress. Right, so what we need to do now, we need to assign some filters. But before we do that, we just map all the fields. We say, okay. It's equal to USA. We want to reject record. Actually, if it is equal to UK, wanted to reject record. Okay. So USA is fine, UK is rejected. So next one, we need to map the transformer. Again, we can use auto map function here to save our time. Yeah. Just clone it. Now we are ready to run our transformation. All we need to do is to press green up. Oops. Rather interesting, okay, nothing is mapped. That's because we have to open it first. Okay, let's try running it again. Because this time it's worked. So UK, check. So UK we have only one line. And if you click on UK, see, we have one line here. And we click on USA. We have two lines. Another thing we can do, for example, we can create a new file. And we can actually do, we can point both of the writers to the same file, and it will create new sheets within it. So, let's call it orders by country. And we choose this one again. And if we run it and have a look at it, you will see that our file has two sheets. And the way it works, everything is done in the memory. So it does not load the same file twice. It creates the file in the memory, updates all the data in the memory. And once transformation is completed, it saves the data in memory. So one of the benefits, for example, we can modify the file which already exists. For example, what we can do, we can update this one. Again, everything is done in the memory. So this file is loaded into the memory. Then within the memory, we will add new sheet for USA and another one for UK. And once transformation is completed, we save it into the file. This approach saves processing time and speeds things up. Let's run it. It's okay. This is because the file is already opened. So what we need to do, we need to close it and run it again. And this time, it's actually worked, because you see we have orders, we have USA, and we have UK. Magic. Right. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding updating your Excel files, please go to our support forum and post them there, and we will do our best to help you. Remember, all you need to do is to ask. Thank you. Bye.